Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to PcomLap, Tech Beyond Expectations. Today, we aren't just chatting with AI, we are building a complete content workflow from scratch. First things first, open up Google. We are searching for the boss, ChatGPT. If you don't have this bookmarked in 2026, what are you even doing? Just kidding. Click that first link. Here we are, the 5.2 interface. It's clean, it's fast, but an AI is useless without data, right? So let's go fetch some fresh information. Pop open a new tab. We are heading to Wikipedia. I'm looking for the recent editions page. This is a goldmine for did you know facts, especially if you run a faceless channel or a blog. Recent editions. This page updates constantly with verified facts, perfect for research. Look at this archive for January 2026. This is exactly what we need. I'm going to snag this URL from the top. Control-C that bad boy. Back to the lab. Paste the link. Now, watch the prompt. Summarize this article in bullet points. We want speed, we don't want to read the whole essay ourselves. Hit enter and look at it go. It scans the live URL and pulls out the key structure immediately. It's giving us the did you know section breakdown. Okay, bullet points are cool, but they're a bit robotic. I can't read this in a video, so let's tell the AI to fix it. Rewrite the entire points in simple English paragraphs. And there it is, smooth, readable text. This changes it from raw data into a script format instantly. Honestly, it writes better than I do sometimes. Now, rule number 1 of IT, always save your work. I'm opening the trusty, legendary Notepad. No fancy editors needed here. I'm copying the bullet points first for reference, pasting them in. Now let's head back and grab the good stuff. I'm highlighting the simplified paragraphs. Copy that, switch back to Notepad, make some space and paste. Now we have our raw data and our script logic all in one place. Beautiful. We have the content script ready, but now comes the headache, SEO. Titles, tags, hashtags. Usually this takes me an hour. Watch this prompt closely. I'm asking for 5 titles, a description, keywords and hashtags specifically for YouTube Studio. I'm also telling it to consider SEO ranking. Context is key. I'm telling it the video is about AI tool usage. Let's see what the magic box gives us. Oh, look at that. Option 1, beginner friendly. Option 2, productivity angle. Option 3, power user. It's literally doing my marketing job for me. I'm vibing with option 1. Top AI tools every student should know. That is click-worthy. It even wrote a hook for the description. This is the winner. It targets students and beginners perfectly. Let's steal this metadata. Back to Notepad. Title goes here, description goes here, but we aren't done yet. Don't sleep on the keywords. Done. Now, when I upload, I just copy-paste. Efficiency level 1000. Now, before we go, I want to leave a note here. I'm typing this out live for you guys because it is important. Whether it's for assignments, notes, or voiceovers, use AI to help you, to make you faster. But don't misuse it. Let it handle the boring stuff so you can be creative. We will meet again. Until then, keep learning. Feel alive. Tech beyond expectations. This is PcomLap signing off.